Girls, are you excited for a friend's wedding? Are you excited that your sister's getting married, your cousin is getting married, and you are the bridesmaid? This video is specially for you as I'm going to give you a lot of ideas for bridesmaid saris. Stay tuned till the end of this video. Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. These days, the weddings are really well planned, well choreographed. We think about the backdrops, the bride's outfits, the groom's outfits, and we give equal importance to the outfits of all the others, the close ones in the wedding. We are very particular about the photos that we want to get clicked, about the poses, the reels that we want to make, and hence the bridesmaid saris are also very important and they have to be well planned. Let me give you some very good ideas. So the first way to decide bridesmaid saris is you can just think of one particular type of a sari and then just choose different colors in it, right? For example, if you choose Irkal saris like I have here, so you can wear different colors in Irkal saris and then just flaunt the theme, flaunt the style of the sari that you're wearing. So this is one way of looking at it. However, you can also choose a trendier style of sari. Instead of choosing very traditional saris like Irkals or Paithanis or Kanjivarams, you can also think of wearing some trendier yet handloom saris, something like tissue Banarsis. Now tissue Banarsis are very versatile. You can so these tissue Banarsis at Pratha, we've added beautiful laces to the borders. They look very pretty and they are young, they are vibrant. You can choose an array of colors and look very pretty. You can style these saris differently as well. So deciding on the type of the sari is the first way to decide bridesmaid saris. The second way to decide bridesmaid saris is deciding on a color palette. For example, you can decide to wear pastel shades. So you have beautiful pastel saris in silk. You can choose Kanjivarams, you can choose Paithanis, you can choose single colored Malai silks, Chanderi saris, tissue saris, but stick to pastel colors. Or you can also select a particular color palette like shades of green, shades of blue, shades of pink. Like for example, here I've teamed up sea green color, bottle green color, olive green color, chutney green, parrot green, all shades of green. When you actually are 5, 6, 7, 8 of you wearing shades of green, deciding on it and styling the saris in a similar manner, it looks absolutely gorgeous along with the bride standing in the center. The next way to coordinate bridesmaid saris is to think of the color of the border and the blouse. You can choose all saris with red borders and red blouses, or you can choose all saris with pink borders and pink blouses. You can wear different types of saris, different colors of saris. The common element will be the border color and the blouse. You can also style your blouses similarly so that they look uniform. So this is another idea of complementing and coordinating bridesmaid saris. Another easiest way to coordinate bridesmaid saris is to wear the exact same color in different types of saris. So you can choose a shade of purple, you can choose a particular shade of blue or a particular shade of off-white, and you can wear different types of saris. You can wear a Kanjivaram, Paithani, Banarasi, or you can wear trendy saris, Georgette, chiffons, but in the exact same color. So that is an easy option to coordinate bridesmaid saris, especially if you are not living close by, or if you're coordinating from different parts of the world, then this is one very easy type. The last type or the last way to coordinate bridesmaids outfits is actually the styling of the outfit. You can choose different saris. However, if you decide on a particular draping style, for example, if all of you decide to wear 9-yard saris, or wear the saris in a dhoti style manner, or wear the silk saris that you've planned in a Bengali style drape or a Gujarati drape, then that drape and the styling, and maybe you can plan similar jewelry along with the saris, that becomes your coordinating factor. So whichever sari you choose, if you decide on the styling pattern, then that is also a very nice idea. In this styling pattern, I have one idea for you. Also, if you are the bride and if you want to gift something to your bridesmaid, bridesmaids, this is a very nice idea. We get very beautiful silk dupattas. So if you come to Pratha, we have beautiful paithani dupattas. We have very pretty tissue paithani dupattas. So if you want, you can gift these dupattas to your bridesmaids, and they can wear them on different skirts, crop tops, maybe on lehengas. They can style these dupattas and look coordinated and beautiful. And also the bride will stand out if the bridesmaids are wearing lehenga or skirts along with beautiful dupattas. Then that is a very pretty way to actually coordinate your outfits. So styling of outfits and using dupattas to style bridesmaids is another beautiful idea. So girls, I hope you got some good interesting ideas for styling bridesmaids outfits for any of your friends or cousins' weddings. So yes, this is a beautiful way to present sarees in different manners. If you want any ideas, tips for anybody's wedding in the family, please come to us, message us. We have very beautiful options here at Pratha. So this was my video about bridesmaids outfits. I'll be coming up with many more informative videos about silk sarees. Stay tuned, keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe to Pratha by Kavita Koppurkar.